Follow the schedule. Mastering time management in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, follow the schedule. Understanding this phrase not only helps in enhancing your English language skills but also in improving your time management. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase is used in everyday conversations and professional settings. Follow the schedule means to adhere to a planned series of events or activities that are outlined for a specific period. This could be a daily, weekly, or even monthly plan. The key here is the concept of organization and time management. When someone follows the schedule, they are making sure that they are completing tasks or attending events at the time they were planned to happen. Following a schedule is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in maintaining discipline in both personal and professional life. It ensures that you're maximizing productivity by allocating time wisely to different tasks. Moreover, it can significantly reduce stress as you have a clear outline of what needs to be done and when. In a professional context, following the schedule can also demonstrate your reliability and commitment to your job or responsibilities. 1. Prioritize tasks. Identify what's most important and allocate time accordingly. 2. Be realistic. Ensure the schedule is achievable. Overloading it can lead to disappointment and stress. 3. Use tools. Leverage calendars, planners, or apps to keep track of your schedule. 4. Allow flexibility. Sometimes, unexpected events happen. Be prepared to adjust your schedule if needed. 5. Review regularly. At the end of the day or week, review your schedule to see what was accomplished and adjust future plans as necessary. In a school setting, students follow the class schedule to attend different subjects through the day. In the workplace, employees follow a work schedule, completing projects and attending meetings as planned. In personal life, individuals may follow a fitness or meal schedule to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the phrase, follow the schedule. Remember, being able to follow a schedule efficiently is a valuable skill that enhances not only your language proficiency but also your personal and professional life. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you manage your time more effectively. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.